What's the best way you or someone you know has gotten out of a police ticket or trouble with the law?
Live, Bruno in Benares with me. So it's difficult to imagine, but so Benares, Varanasi, it's a very, very holy city where if you're dead, you go and burn there and they put you in a river. And we were going to the train station to go down south, but there were some special holy stuff going on. The train station was jammed, and something jammed in India more than usual. It's like, and we were right in the middle. Yeah, like really, that was much more than usual. And I don't know how we start to argue with our rickshaw, and the dude stand up and tell everybody that we were drug dealer with heroin, but in Hindi. And it was the first year I was in India. I didn't really speak Hindi quite yet.
So you didn't understand what he was saying?
No, but it didn't look really good because everybody was coming on us and stuff. And the friend I was with is a big, huge boy, like a big bear, and he's missing finger, 5 of them, which is make it very special for India. And he started to be as loud as everybody else, so everybody is loud, shouting after each other, you don't know, you're calling police, la 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 la, and more, but thousands of people around, not a few hundred, like thousands, like wall far away, everybody like walking on each other to see what's going on. And then finally a group of policemen. So, and by the Bruno, like, yes, he goes and almost kills the policeman and take me out of here, la la la, and he basically holding the chef, they brought us to the main station. Okay, so you have that big boy with a big bag on wheel, and you have that skinny little Frenchie with a little bag, little backpack. But if you open the first part of the backpack, there is like maybe 150 grams, like that falls straight up. So we arrived in a police station. The big boss is on a platform, like a stage, a big chair with the other sub-chef around him, and behind us a bunch of policemen, and outside the station everybody trying to look inside, and Bruno came in, he's like, loud, talking non-stop, how dare you, he take everything that he has in his bag. You think I am a drug dealer? How dare you? Look at my hand, I almost died. He take everything out of his bag. At the bottom of the bag there is 4 kilos of charas, a piece of cardboard. He put his hand inside, he take his bag, shaking like crazy. Who do you think I am? Who do you think I am? Oh, he put everything back in his bag. So, and me behind. And they let us go. Wow. He finished to put everything. The big boss apologized, went outside, kicked out everybody, called a rickshaw so that we could go to the hotel. Yeah, the show. The Bruno is a showman, that's for sure. Especially when and me, I was praying that he didn't ask me to open. That was one of the hotels, because it was in.
You're reliving.
Yeah, no, exactly.
PTSD
It was so
coming over
funny,
here.
and we had such a ball after.
Here, help.
Yeah. Yeah, that was really a good one.
We've all had those kind of run-ins, but wow, that's pretty epic. So, did any of those thousands of people that were in there, were they hanging out on the side of the
Outside the police station,
They were waiting to see what
waiting to see if we were busted or whatever. The policeman went out
And
told everybody, but like the big fucking chef of the biggest, one of the biggest train station in India, at least, like big boy. He went out. He told everybody to fuck up, and he called.
He said you're innocent.
He called the rickshaw and to bring us to the hotel where we wanted to go, like safe. It's like in India when you have the crowd against you, it's not good because they can go crazy.
Mom
Yeah,
kill you.
yeah, yeah.
They'll smash you with a brick.
Yeah, you don't want to be the leader.
A whole bunch of bricks.